So you think that it's over? Your love has finally reached the end. Anytime you call, not a day, I'll be right there for you. You need a friend.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius City Police Department. A series of chilling murders has taken place in our community, and authorities are urging everyone to stay vigilant. The suspect is a twisted version of Rouge the Bat, known as Rouge EXE. Witnesses describe her as possessing an eerie allure, with her once charming features distorted into something sinister. She is reported to have piercing red eyes and a sleek, dark silhouette that blends into the shadows. The latest victim was discovered in the heart of Mobius City, near the bustling downtown area, where residents were enjoying the evening. The police have received multiple reports of a mysterious figure stalking the streets at night. If you see someone resembling this description or have any information about the recent murders, you are encouraged to contact the Mobius City Police Department immediately. Do not approach. She is considered armed and extremely dangerous. Residents are advised to seek shelter immediately and lock all doors and windows. Report any suspicious activity to local law enforcement if you can do so safely. Travel in groups whenever necessary. Further updates will be provided as information becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius County Office of Emergency Management. At approximately 7:45 p.m. this evening, a Union Pacific freight train derailed near the Mobius City Industrial Zone. Initial reports indicate that this incident was caused by the presence of a dangerous individual known as Rouge EXE in the area. The train was carrying various cargo, including hazardous materials, and emergency crews are currently on the scene assessing the situation. Authorities have reason to believe that Rouge EXE may have been responsible for tampering with the train's controls or tracks, leading to the derailment. Witnesses reported seeing a shadowy figure near the railway moments before the incident, matching the description of the suspect involved in the recent series of murders. Evacuate the area if you are within a 2-mile radius of the derailment site.
Emergency services are conducting evacuations and will assist those in need. Avoid traveling near the industrial zone, particularly near the affected rail lines. Roads in the area are being closed to allow emergency crews to work without interruption. Remain indoors and stay informed. Local news stations will provide updates, and further alerts will be broadcast as needed. If you see any suspicious activity or believe you have encountered Rouge EXE, do not engage. Contact law enforcement immediately. Shelter-in-place instructions may be issued for nearby neighborhoods if the situation worsens. Please listen carefully to all future announcements and follow directions from emergency personnel. Your cooperation is vital to ensure the safety of everyone in Mobius-Oak County. This is an ongoing emergency, and the authorities are working diligently to contain the threat. Stay tuned for further updates.
That was my goddamn popcorn! It wasn't your goddamn popcorn! That was mine! God damn!
Need help. You scared the shit out of someone running down the street. You're probably gonna run the call.
Fuck 'em, call the cops! My goddamn popcorn!
Good evening, Mobius City. This is Stephen with Mobius City 5 News. We interrupt our regular programming for breaking news. Tensions continue to rise in our community as the threat of Rouge EXE looms large. We now go live to our reporter Tom DeFalks, who is on the scene at the KMOX TV7 building where emergency response teams, including the Mobius-Oak County Sheriff's Office and Twisted Cops PD, have gathered. Tom, what can you tell us?
Thanks, Stephen. I'm here at KMOX TV7, where chaos has erupted following the recent train derailment and the emergence of the notorious Rouge EXE. Law enforcement officials have set up a command center here as they coordinate their efforts to address the rising threat in Mobius City. As you can see behind me, both the Mobius-Oak County Sheriff's Office and Twisted Cops PD are mobilizing their resources. They've established a perimeter around the area, and authorities are urging citizens to stay away while they work to ensure public safety. Whoa. Sorry about that, folks. It seems the intensity of the situation is getting to everyone. Local authorities are currently investigating any connections between Rouge EXE and the train derailment. Sources indicate that she may have tampered with the train systems before it derailed, leading to significant concerns about public safety. Can you confirm any details regarding the ongoing investigation or the steps being taken to secure the area? As you heard, there are still many unknowns at this time. Citizens are advised to remain indoors, and if you see anything suspicious, to report it immediately to the authorities. We'll continue to monitor the situation closely and bring you updates as they become available. For now, back to you, Stephen.
Thank you, Tom. This situation is developing rapidly, and we will keep you informed as we receive more information. Please stay safe, Mobius City. We urge everyone to follow emergency protocols and keep an eye on our updates.
The following following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius Oak County Sheriff's Office and Twisted Cops PD. A law enforcement warning is now in effect. Due to recent developments, authorities are issuing an urgent alert regarding the ongoing threat posed by Rouge.exe, who is believed to be responsible for multiple violent incidents, including a recent train derailment and suspected tampering with critical infrastructure. Rouge.exe is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached under any circumstances. She has been sighted moving throughout the city, particularly near key facilities and public spaces. Law enforcement agencies are actively searching for her, and a citywide operation is underway to contain the threat. Remain indoors until further notice. If you are currently outside, find the nearest safe shelter immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Ensure that your home or place of refuge is secure. Avoid traveling through isolated or poorly lit areas. If you must travel, do so in groups and stay in well-lit, populated areas. Report any suspicious activity to the authorities. If you see someone who matches the description of Rouge.exe, a dark, shadowy figure with piercing red eyes, do not attempt to confront her. Call 911 or your local law enforcement office immediately. Stay tuned to local news stations and emergency broadcasts for further updates. Authorities will continue to provide information as the situation evolves. Be advised that checkpoints have been established at key locations throughout Mobia City. Expect delays if you must travel, and cooperate with law enforcement personnel. This is a serious and developing situation. We urge all residents to remain calm, follow the instructions provided, and prioritize safety above all else. Further updates will be issued as new information becomes available.
What's up, Speed Beat listeners? This is Max Turbo, coming to you live on Station Square FM 104.5. I wish I could say it's just another evening, cruising through the tunes, but things are looking a little different right now. You might have heard the emergency alerts, seen the flashing lights, or maybe you're just getting home and wondering what's going on. Well, folks, there's a real situation unfolding in Mobius City, and it's not the kind of thing we can speed our way through. Authorities have confirmed that the one and only Rouge.exe, yes, the very name that's been on everyone's mind, has been linked to multiple dangerous incidents tonight, including that freight train derailment earlier. The Mobius Oak County Sheriff's Office and Twisted Cops PD have put out a law enforcement warning, and they're urging everyone to stay indoors and keep safe. I know, it's Friday night, and you're thinking about heading out, maybe catching up with friends, but trust me when I say this is serious. Rouge.exe has been sighted moving through the city, and, well, she's not out there looking to make friends. So here's what I need you to do, listeners. If you're already inside, stay put. Lock those doors, pull down the blinds, and keep your ears tuned right here to Station Square FM 104.5. I'll be here all night, bringing you updates as they come in and keeping the music going to get us through this. If you're out there on the streets, I need you to find the nearest safe spot and get indoors ASAP. No hero moves tonight, okay? The pros are out there handling this, and we need to let them do their job. You know, folks, we've been through a lot together. This city is fast, it's loud, and it's tough. We're gonna get through this, too. Just keep your head on straight, listen to the alerts, and don't take any chances. Alright, I'm gonna slide us into a quick track, something chill to keep the nerves steady. But don't go anywhere, because I'm not. This is Max Turbo, your host and your friend, riding out the storm with you. We'll get through this, one beat at a time.
It's the night. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is SSNC. We will continue to serve the Station Square area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Station Square area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is SSNC. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Station Square area. If you are not in Station Square area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has.
My fellow Americans, this is your president speaking. I come to you tonight with a heavy heart and a sense of urgency, as our nation faces a crisis unlike any we have ever seen. Over the past few weeks, we have been monitoring a series of dangerous events centered around Mobius City, Utah, involving a figure known as Rouge.exe. This individual has been linked to multiple acts of violence, infrastructure tampering, and the derailment of a Union Pacific freight train earlier this evening. We now have evidence that the situation in Mobius City has grown to a level that threatens national security. In response, I am declaring a national emergency effective immediately. This declaration will allow us to mobilize additional resources, including the National Guard, federal law enforcement, and emergency response teams, to contain and neutralize this threat. To the residents of Mobius City and surrounding areas, your safety is our top priority. You are strongly advised to stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, and avoid any unnecessary travel. Law enforcement and emergency personnel are working tirelessly to bring the situation under control, but we need your cooperation. If you encounter Rouge.exe or witness suspicious activity, do not engage. Contact your local authorities immediately. We understand the fear and uncertainty that this situation has brought to your community, and we are committed to restoring peace and safety. The Department of Homeland Security is actively coordinating with local law enforcement to secure critical infrastructure and ensure the safety of communication networks, transportation, and essential services. This is a coordinated, nationwide effort, and I want to assure you that the full strength of the United States government is being brought to bear. This is a time for vigilance and unity. We have faced challenges before, and we have always overcome them by standing together. I ask for your patience, your strength, and your resolve in the coming days. Further updates will be provided through local and national media channels, as well as emergency broadcasts like this one. Please stay tuned, follow all official instructions, and remain calm. Thank you, and may God bless you all. May God bless the United States of America.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Mobius Oak, at 10:30 p.m. on July 13th, 2024, effective until 11 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Stay indoors. Rouge X is active in Mobius City. Report suspicious activity to authorities. Remain calm and await further instruction.